Hi guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is my husband, Meow. You like how quick I do that, right? If you're new here, remember to like and subscribe and check out all my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. And yeah, so what are we doing today? Why is Meow here? Well, been seeing a lot of wax videos, and we were like, oh man, that would be fun. So got me a wax pot. It's a little hot, but ta-da, wax pot. And I've already got some waxy little beads that it came with, heating up in there and getting all waxy. I haven't played with wax since beauty school, so this is going to be a lot of fun. What I've been liking, what I've been seeing is that nice hard line waxing on the men folk. So we're gonna try that today. And yeah, so where to begin? A smart girl would begin by blowing your beard down. So that's what I'm doing. Test the wax on your wrist to make sure it's not
hot.
Yes. Does it suck?
That is gonna be worse.
Oh. Very well. Aftercare. After the wax. Okay, so Miha let me do his beard line, but that's it. That's it. That's all he let me do. No eyebrows. Just his cheeks. His very rosy cheeks. So, for being a good sport, we are going to we're gonna do some nostrils. Because that's what marriage is all about, is ripping the hair out of each other's nostrils. Yeah, so I'm gonna take out my nose ring. I'm not picking my nose, I just have a nose ring, a memoir. We should sanitize our hands before touching each other's faces. Especially since I just took out the nose ring. This is gonna be great.
Oh yeah.
Start your stick. You don't need much, you just need a tiny little Are you scared? I'm a little scared. Oh, you don't want to do it? I will do it. Oh no, this is, do you want both your nostrils?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm only doing one. No, because I'm not taking this nose ring out. I'm doing one because I'm not taking this nose ring out. You're like a walrus. Off to eat some I can't see. I'm gonna use my mirror real quick. I feel very sexy. It feels okay. All right, you ready?
No, not ready yet.
It's only.
Seconds passed.
I'm sure it's been like a minute. Just to put that in your nose. Wait, mine hasn't been like 30 seconds yet. This one's ready.
So it's wasted.
All right, just get ready with your other hand to like. All right, moment of truth. 1, 2. 2, 3. That's so bad. Yo.
Hold it.
Ew, mine's gross. Yeah, that one got you? You gonna cry? You're cheering.
I'm not.
This is gross as heck, but look at all of our little nose hairs. It's in your nose. Well, this was fun. The wax, baby, can you hand me that box? No, the box. Okay, so everything we needed came in this Life Stance Professional Wax Hair Removal Kit. It came with 3 different types of wax, all hard wax beads. Came with these little rings to keep the edge of your wax clean. It came with the pre-waxing, and it came with the wax pot. And this is, oh, and the spatulas. So yeah, great investment. I'm looking forward to playing with this more and getting more comfortable with wax. I'm sure Mihaw's not looking forward to me waxing his face again, but you kind of signed up for it. So thank you for joining us. This has been a waxy experience with Kiss and husband Mihao. Until next time, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. And I will see you, in a couple days. Great!